Homeowners Dana and Brian initially fell in love with the size and price point of this 4,600 square foot gem.
I just don't think there's a house out there with this much space. There's no better deal in this city than the house that we're in right now.
But for Dana, the honeymoon was short-lived.
All the bedrooms, the kitchen, my office are all on the main floor. I thought that was a good idea initially. Now those are the things that drive me crazy. I got so fed up that I listed the house a few years ago and I actually sold the house.
Dana sold the house in a week.
But Brian was really attached to the house, and so we ended up staying. This is my home office. It has been taken over by the kids. We have the video games, we have the art supplies, and we move over here to the piano, which no one formally knows how to play the piano, so I'm not sure why I still have this piano.
But it looks good in here, though. It looks good.
In the office, it looks good.
It looks good.
I need some space where I can work in peace. Take this in your room. Thank you. For as large as this house is, 1,800 square feet is where everyone congregates all the time. The kitchen needs to be updated. It's small. There's not a lot of counter space in the kitchen. It just doesn't work for me. The kids' rooms are right off of the kitchen. I can also look in the bathroom, and I can look at the kitchen at the same time.
We just got to reconfigure some stuff.
What families have like regular size basketball goals and the kids play full on basketball in the house. Chase, don't be so rough with him.
We love basketball in this family.
You know, I'm a big basketball fanatic myself. I am the team mom. I would just like to see more of the basketball goals outside instead of inside the house, because we live on a busy street, and so the boys can't go outside and play basketball. We need to find a house with a lot where we can build that half court outside. We have this basement downstairs that you love, but nobody comes down here.
That's not true.
To use the basement.
Everybody comes down here. You see, we have our second full court in the house.
Nothing has changed with that basement being renovated. I would love for you to have your own office, because your stuff is everywhere. The space that is upstairs, it must be 700 square feet.
Is there a master bedroom closet that big that can handle all this stuff? No way. That's what makes this house perfect.
Brian, what is your must-have list to get you out of this house?
A large open kitchen, a private master suite, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 offices for Dana to work out and for me to work, basketball area for the boys, half court.
All right, what is the budget?
$575,000. Good luck.
That's not bad. That's not bad. All right, what do you got to say?
Dana, I know that you have had a rocky relationship with this house.
Yes.
But I need to hear your list of what I have to do to convince you to stay.
Renovate, enlarge, and open the kitchen, reconfigure the boys' bedrooms, upgrade my office, create an office for Brian, and finally create a basketball court outside.
Okay.
Well, that's a first.
Here's a really important question. How much is my budget?
It's $125,000.
Oh,
It's a healthy budget.
not when there's a half basketball court.
Oh, come on.
No.
You're really kind of just putting in a driveway. Is what you're doing. What's going to happen is I'm going to find you that incredible house. And when I find you that house, the only thing you say about this one, and you've said it before, is list it.
Yes, I have.
All right.
What a great house.
So it's all about creating a fantastic environment for Dana, starting with her office. Nothing but custom built-ins. We'll change out the carpet to hardwood. And then here is this amazing space, but there's a really strange setup here with sleeping arrangements. The master bedroom is over there along with the master bathroom, and it's lovely. We don't have to do anything with that. But over here, we have the kids' rooms. What her main thing is having a home where the areas are defined, kid stuff, grown-up stuff, that is not invaded by basketball hoops and toys. And so, kitchen. It's really not very big. So here's what I'm gonna do to make this work. I'm gonna change this access, still off the dining room. Then I'm going to push this wall all the way through. That will allow me to put sink, dishwasher, counter space, range. I can do a nice square island. And that will all be a combination of cabinetry. Boom, I've got a whole wall to do it in. Now we're into bedroom number 1, and both bedrooms are basically the same size. Brian would like to bring an office into this main space of the house. This bedroom can be Brian's home office, break through this to create access to the bedroom next to it. That will become his walk-in closet, just for Brian.
Where are the kids gonna go?
They're gonna go up to the second floor. Up we go into the back stairs. So, boys' bedroom and bathroom, okay? And now we'll go and look at boys' bedroom number 2.
All right. What the heck is this?
It's amazing. I can get a bedroom for one of the boys here, and then all the rest of this can be sitting area, storage hidden away. But there is just one more thing.
It takes a certain skill set to manage client expectations with a limited budget.
And why are we outside?
So, you remember I was talking about how Dana can't stand all the hoops in her house?
Yes.
But when your clients are basketball fanatics,
You're not telling me.
Half basketball court in there.
reaching high keeps a player on their toes.
All right, I have to get in touch with the contractor. I will get you the numbers.
It's gonna be hard to pull this off. Brian, you know your favorite place?
Oh, I can't wait to hear how this is gonna work.
That's bedroom number 1.
Will you be able to keep the high ceilings?
And then on the other side, that's gonna become bedroom number 2. The bedroom number 1 that was here will become your home office, which you asked for. It will be connected through to the second bedroom, which will be your closet.
I'm not sure if I like that plan so much. Is there anywhere the kids can be on the main floor?
You mean like a play area? If you want that, I mean, there really just isn't room for 2 offices on this floor. Since I don't think you need to be supervised, could you go in the basement?
I think that sounds like a better plan. What about the basketball court?
You can have it. Well, as long as you can come up with another $20,000.
There's no way we're coming up with another $20,000. I mean, we're maxed with the budget.
Then we're kind of stuck.
As the wrecking crew lays the groundwork for the big changes to come,
We've got a closet. We have this existing storage space.
and Hilary finds new space for Brian's office and closet, a new issue has emerged upstairs. Hilary's decision to repurpose the attic for the boys' bedrooms has triggered a need to survey the current HVAC's capacity.
We are going to either need to change the heat pump system, or we are not going to be able to heat and cool this section.
The only reason that I'm keeping all of this height is because Dana asked if we could retain it. What if we lower the space to 10 feet, which is much higher than you would need or normally have, but maybe that will keep Dana happy and solve the issue.
The existing heat pump system will be able to handle.
Sounds like a happy medium to me.
And all we have to do is convince Dana that that's a great design.
Dana and Brian have agreed with Hilary's plan to lower the cathedral ceiling, but they want a new bathroom in return.
How are we gonna pay for that?
Now that we have the new family room, the kids can go into the new family room to play their video games and do artwork. I wouldn't necessarily need an updated office. So do you think that would be enough to cover
Will that pay for
the bathroom?
Not
purchase?
even close.
Well, how about if I give up my new office space and my closet space?
Really?
Well, you know my goal, Hilary, is to stay here. I love the house. I'm trying to keep Dana here, so whatever we got to do to make it work.
If you're okay with it, then fine. That's what we're gonna do.
With a new bathroom thrown into the mix, the crew's turning up the heat on the completion of existing work to make sure they can deliver. Meanwhile, David's turning up the heat on the house hunt.
I like the brick exterior.
Plus, you've got a great court area out here.
I don't think the house has enough space for us.
Wait till you see the backyard.
And the half-court basketball court is
Kinda
already
cool, right?
there.
Look at this. It's got a basketball court already set up for you.
Not quite what I'm looking for.
Not
but-
quite what you're looking for, I know. It's got a beautiful 2-car garage, nice front porch, wrap around. There's some basketball players in this neighborhood.
I see.
It's about 1/4 of an acre.
Wow.
Windows everywhere.
Nice.
The main area.
Oh.
Your kitchen, family room combination.
This is so
Trying to win me over, ain't you, Dave?
Of course, that's my job. Let's go have a look at the screen-in porch.
Okay.
I want you to compare this deck experience to yours.
Oh.
Brian,
Keep them focused.
you see that big space over there down at the bottom of the hill? All the way running towards that fence?
That is perfect.
your sight line for the court. Dana, this is your office space. Nice, beautiful windows.
Oh, I love it.
Master bedroom.
Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
Right this way.
Okay.
Master bath.
Okay. Oh, very nice.
Kind of small, though.
Bedroom number 1.
Okay.
Next door is the bathroom that the kids are gonna share.
It works.
So this would be Chase's bedroom.
This is a good space, and he needs space.
We got more to see.
There's more?
Let's go to the basement. You guys are gonna love this space.
Ooh, nice.
So you've got extra storage in here. You've got a full 4-piece washroom here. Plus, now you have the area where everyone can gather. This house is listed at $600,000. Now, your budget is $575,000, so we're not that far off.
Right, we're in the neighborhood.
And that's before negotiating.
Oh, my goodness.
Wow.
This is my house. This is unbelievable.
I love it.
Why don't we take a look in your office?
This is amazing.
This was something that we thought we couldn't do for you. You needed to have your space. This is where you can even have a girlfriend in here and you can close the door.
Just sit across from me and chat, almost like in tears. I don't even know what to say. This is gorgeous.
We put in hardwood floors here to match out with what you
match
have for the rest of
perfectly.
the house. Let's keep going.
There are no basketball goals. There's seating that I love where you can sit and have conversation.
Look at the space.
Oh my goodness, this is unbelievable.
Wow. Absolutely just stunning.
So you now have this lovely, clean, square island.
This is nice.
And of course, there's your dining room. Straight shots through when you're entertaining. You can see that we've maintained this area as an eat-in area.
All this amazing storage space.
Let's go.
Okay.
Do you remember this used to be the door into that bathroom? It's just a wall now because the bathroom access is now here.
Gracious.
This is amazing. This is a great space.
Just to think, this was 2 rooms.
Do you remember this was going to be your office?
It certainly
And there
was.
was going to be a closet for you in here. But we didn't forget you, so go take a look at these closets.
My shoes. All right.
Yes.
And your bathroom is now there.
Oh, nice.
Now we've got to figure out where those boys are sleeping. Nice new carpet. When you say, okay, just head on up to Caleb's room, everyone knows what direction to go to.
That's
or
right.
Chase, no confusion.
That's right. Oh, Caleb's room. Oh, I love this. Yes.
He can have his friends in to hang out. Do you remember that was where you had boxes of more
awkward.
shoes? So it's now a closet.
This is a nice, huge closet. Caleb's going to love this.
Now, why don't you take a look at the bathroom?
Ooh, look at this.
This is beautiful.
You ready to go and see Chase's room?
I can't even believe this was
What?
the attic before. Yeah, these ceilings are still amazing.
There's a gaming area right there.
This is so nice.
He has his own study space right here.
Oh,
This is way more than a window. We're on a top floor, and by law, we have to create what's called an egress window. It's kind of a nice place to hang
I
out.
was gonna say, can you not come out here and just have some quiet time and just...
Of course you can.
Now, this was worth giving up, my storage space. This was more than worth giving it up.
Okay, so decision made,
decision made.
And are you going to love it?
or are you going to list it?
We are going to love it.
Well, it's a great house. I'm not shocked, but why?
Feels like one of the houses David showed us, but the location is better.
You just fixed everything that was wrong with this home.
Even though you took away my closet space.
Yeah.
But you made up for it in this room.